In this video, I'm going to talk about something which we have been seeing a lot more people asking about over the course of the last kind of 6 months or so. No doubt tied into the new MTD for income tax quarterly returns. So people are asking about how to get set up in Xero, and we've had a lot of companies also ask about how do we switch to Xero. So I'm going to outline the process that we use here at Satori Accounting to migrate your business onto the Xero platform. So stage one is the pre-migration work. So what that involves is actually looking at your existing system and the data that's on there, checking to see if things look accurate or not, recommending some things that might need to be done before you actually migrate your data, and actually look at some of the system processes you already have in place so we can make sure that when we implement Xero, we don't want to change the processes too much, but we might want to improve the processes and get some automation in there where we possibly can. Now, this part of the process is really important. If you migrate rubbish data onto Xero, then moving platforms isn't going to solve your problem. So we make sure in this part of the process that your data is as clean as it possibly can be. Stage two in the process is migration. And believe it or not, this is where it gets really easy for you as the business owner or the bookkeeper for the business. You'll give us the data or give us access to your current account software. That might be Sage or QuickBooks. And we use a tool called Move My Books, which within 24 hours will give you a brand new Xero account with all of your data migrated across. We give you options in doing that as well. You can actually move the current year's data plus 1 year, or you can go back further. Generally speaking, I would say this year plus last year is enough to migrate, but make sure you have a process in place to be able to access data if you need to for historic information. So downloading stuff from the likes of Sage and QuickBooks if need be. Stage three is the post-migration data checks. So this is where we actually double check that the data that has come across is migrated across properly. So we make sure your customer balances are correct, your supplier balances, your bank reconciliation, and all these nominal codes have come across properly. To be honest, it always works. Move My Books is essentially a piece of technology which copies and pastes the data straight into your Xero account. Stage four is implementation. This is where we will come to your premises and train you or your team, or we can do some online training as well. It's kind of suited and tailored to the needs of you and your business. Some clients need more hand-holding. We come on site, we sit with them, we get them to enter transactions, and then we come back and check. Sessions can be a couple of hours long, can be anything between 2 and 6 sessions to get everything properly implemented. It just depends on your own processes and the complexity of your business. Stage five is the handover. Now, this is where we have recorded certain things on using Loom videos and so on, bespoke to your actual transactions. We give you answers on queries by way of Loom videos. So you're getting a handover where here's a checklist you need to follow in order to make sure the processes we've put in place using Xero and all our tools are followed properly. And finally, to make sure we give you enough video information that you can go back and refer to if needs be. We also offer support contracts, usually for between 30 and 90 days post-implementation, to make sure that you get enough support that you need to contact our team to resolve queries and dive in and look at data corrections if needs be. So that covers everything in terms of the implementation. You're basically looking at 5 stages, and it is designed to suit your exact business needs. If it's something you're interested in and you'd like to find out a lot more about it and get a fixed price quotation for the project, give us a shout here at Satori Accounting.